Alright. What we got going on today is injector cleaning. Now, this is just my way of doing it. So, what you want to do is get yourself some type of cleaner, brake cleaner, carb cleaner, whatever. Go ahead and connect the positive and negative to the battery. And then you're going to go ahead and hold on to this positive side of the battery. And don't have it connected until you're ready, okay? So you have that on standby. You go ahead and you connect your tube to the can and the injector. You connect it, and then you go ahead and you load it up. Push it. Get some pressure in there, you know what I mean? And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to apply power here. You're going to tap the battery. Let's say if you're using a battery, power, you're going to tap the positive to get the injector to pulse. See, so what you want is, there goes my flashlight, but you get the point.